Hey everyone, I wanted to show you a fire steel. I make these and it's nothing unique or nothing I invented, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what I found works well. I buy these ferro rod blanks, usually in bulk, usually 7 or 8 at a time for like $9. And then I've got a lot of fatwood that I've collected over time. And so what I do is I drill a hole in the fatwood. I press the ferro rod blank into the fatwood. Then I drill another hole here at the end. And usually I'll end up finding a bungee cord of some kind. Another thing that works well is the girls in my house are always have these rubber band hair ties, and so I'll use those. And so those are good for placing in the sheath, and then you can stretch these down and around to retain it. When I'm making a standalone one like this, I'll usually end up putting it through a loop of some kind, whether it's my tinder pouch or even a belt loop. Let's see if I can show you this. Thread the end through my belt loop, and then just come around like that, and it's a handy way to keep it. Anyway, I thought you all would like that, and it's very easy to do, very inexpensive, and you end up with years worth of ferro rods, and these handles, of course, are always replaceable. And oh, in case you didn't know, the reason for the fatwood is a very ignitable natural source. You can shave it and then make a powder, strike it with the ferro rod, and you've got yourself a sustaining fire to get whatever tinder you have lit. Hope this was helpful. Cheers.